In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Todoist sidebar. This is a great way to personalize your interface and make it work best for your productivity needs. Let's dive right in. First, to begin customizing your Todoist sidebar, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Open a new tab and type here in app.todoist.com/au/login into the address bar. This will take you to the Todoist login page. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your login credentials here. On the login page, you'll see fields asking for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the email field. Be precise, as any deviation may lead to issues signing in. Next, move to the password field and enter your secure password. While typing it in, double check to ensure there are no typos. If you ever forget your password, there's usually an option on the site to reset it. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can log in using another service. Todoist offers the convenience of logging in through other accounts like Google, Facebook, or Apple. You'll see these options on the same login page, typically labeled as Continue with Google, Continue with Facebook, or Continue with Apple. This can be a quick way to sign in if you have those accounts linked with Todoist. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, look towards the top left corner. Here you'll see your avatar, which represents your account. Click on this avatar to open up a menu. From the drop down that appears, select the option labelled Settings. This will take you into the Settings menu where you'll have the option to adjust various aspects of your Todoist experience. Now find and click on the option titled Sidebar. This is where the magic happens. In this section, you can customize what appears in your sidebar. Under Show in Sidebar, you're able to choose which views you want visible or hidden. This can help declutter the sidebar if there are things you don't use regularly. Beside each item, you'll see a toggle option. Use these to switch visibility on or off. Additionally, there's an option called Show Task Count. If you toggle this on, you'll see task counts next to views and projects, giving you a quick glance at how much is pending. After you've made all your desired changes, make sure to select Update to save everything. If you skip this step, your changes may not take effect. And there you have it, you've successfully customized your Todoist sidebar. By tailoring what you see day to day in your sidebar, you streamline your workflow and focus on what truly matters to you. I hope you find this personalization helpful in managing your tasks efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.